Photorejuvenation, skin rejuvenation, spots, acne, and blood streak removal, etc. Remove makeup. Clean the face. Select a program per the client's needs. Choose skin removal first. Select a proper glass sheet per the program, and insert it into the operating head. Choose the glass sheet of 640 nanometers. 480 nanometers, it suits skin with red bloodshot, acne, inflammatory acne, etc. 530 nanometers, it fits skin with fine lines, wrinkles, and enlarged pores and people with dull and wax yellow skin. It's used for wrinkle removal. 640 nanometers, it's for skin rejuvenation and hair removal. Parameters setting. Energy range of IPL, 20 to 40. Energy range of RF, 15 to 40. Adjust them per individual conditions. The stronger the energy, the higher the temperature. Click the snowflake icon to adjust the cooling function. Range, 0 to 5, and 3 to 5 is recommended. The more snowflake icons light up, the colder the effect. Click Work to operate the device. Evenly apply gel of 0.5 centimeters to the face. Ask the client to put on sunglasses. The operator needs to wear goggles. Closely touch the skin with the operating surface. Press the button on the handpiece a time to operate at a time. Move from the chin to the front of the ear. Corner of the mouth to the middle ear. Wing of the nose to Taiyang, EX-HN5. And corner of the mouth to Taiyang, EX-HN5. Adopting the fixed point stamp method, do it horizontally before vertically, repeat 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Move from the eyebrow to the hairline adopting the fixed point stamp method. Shun away from the eyebrow and hairline. Do it horizontally before vertically, repeat 3 times. Wipe out the gel from the face. Clean the face. Apply a sheet mask and wait for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and clean the face. Apply toner, essence, and lotion to the face. Once a month, a course of treatment equals 4 to 6 times. Notes: do not wash a treated area with hot water or expose it to the sun within a week. Protect yourself from the sun and keep hydrated and moisturized. Apply a sheet mask daily within 7 days. Do not take laser, dermabrasion, skin resurfacing with AHA, or other similar procedures in a week. Remove hair from the targeted area with a razor. Clean the part that needs hair removal. Select the glass sheet of 640 nanometers and insert it into the operating head. Select SHR. Parameters setting. Pulse time, 2 to 8. Frequency, 2 to 8. Energy, 20 to 40. Set them per individual conditions. The stronger the energy, the higher the temperature. Cooling, 3 to 5, adjust it per the client's tolerance. Click Work to operate the device. Evenly apply gel of 0.5 centimeters to the treated part. Closely touch the skin with the operating surface. Press the button on the handpiece a time to operate at a time. Treat the part needing hair removal adopting the fixed point stamp method. Repeat 3 times. Wipe out the gel and clean the treated part with a towel. Contrast the effect before and after treatment. Take the treatment every 28 to 45 days. Note: do not enjoy a sauna or hot spring within a week and protect yourself from the sun.